ਹੋ ਵੈਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਹਾਣੀਆਂ, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਈਆਂ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਕਈਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਜਾਣੀਆਂ। ਚੱਲ ਰੂਹਾਂ ਚ ਲੁਕਾਈਏ ਦੀ ਮਹਿਕ ਨੂੰ, ਲੁਕ ਵੇਖਦੀਆਂ ਪਰੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਰਾਣੀਆਂ। ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪੇ ਨੂੰ ਨੀ ਨਜ਼ਰਾਂ ਲਵਾਣੀਆਂ, ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਲਾਏ ਕਾਲੇ ਕਜਲੇ ਦੇ ਟਿੱਕੇ। ਦੱਸੋ ਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਲਿਖੀਏ ਹਾਏ, ਆਹੋਏ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਸੱਜਣ ਇੱਕੋ ਮਿੱਕੇ। ਦੱਸੋ ਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਲਿਖੀਏ, ਟ੍ਰਿਬਿਊਨ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਮੁੱਕ ਗਏ ਅੜਿੱਕੇ। ਦੱਸੋ ਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਲਿਖੀਏ ਹਾਏ।
Welcome to the Tribune videos. Today we are with singer Satinder Sartaaj. As goes the norm in Bollywood, this singer has turned actor too. But what makes him different is that one, he holds a PhD in Sufi music, and secondly, he didn't debut in a Punjabi film as an actor but a Hollywood film called The Black Prince. Coming March 13th, you'll see him for the first time in a Punjabi film named Iko Mikhe. Let's know from him more about the film and his journey in the world of music. But can we start with the song first, sir?
Sure, why not? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਹਵਾ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਨੀ ਹਵਾਏ ਕਿੱਸਾ ਜੋੜਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਦਾ, ਰੂ ਦੀ ਰੀਤ ਦਾ, ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਮਾਹੀ ਮੀਤ ਦਾ। ਪੈ ਗਈ ਅੱਥਰੇ ਖਿਆਲਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਦੋਸਤੀ, ਤੇ ਗਵਾਚਿਆਂ ਜਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਬੀਤਦਾ। ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਿਰਾ ਨੀ ਥੇ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਸੁੱਚੇ ਗੀਤ ਦਾ। ਚਾਅ ਤਾਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਅਤੇ ਵਾਕ ਨਿੱਕੇ ਨਿੱਕੇ। ਦੱਸੋ ਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਲਿਖੀਏ ਹਾਏ, ਆਹੋਏ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਸੱਜਣ ਇੱਕੋ ਮਿੱਕੇ। ਦੱਸੋ ਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਲਿਖੀਏ, ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਮਿਟ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਅਟਕ ਅੜਕੇ। ਦੱਸੋ ਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਲਿਖੀਏ, ਹੋਏ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਸੱਜਣ ਇੱਕੋ ਮਿੱਕੇ। ਦੱਸੋ ਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਲਿਖੀਏ।
The title track of the film was the Valentine's Gift for All the Lovers from Satinder Sartaaj. So this song is shot in Punjab University and Sukhna Lake. You've studied there and taught there. How was it shooting a love number out there?
It was very nostalgic, obviously. I think you are also from PU. So yeah, it is a very warming experience. It was, and PU is my most favorite place on earth. So whenever I have a little time to just chill out, so I generally go there, but in a very hidden way, obviously. So yeah, and lake is the most romantic place in Chandigarh. So the romantic songs should have been like shot on those beautiful locations of this particular beautiful city, Chandigarh. So it was really, really overwhelming.
What is your relationship with Sukhna Lake? Are you a regular walker or you've been there with your...
Not regular walker these days, but when you were a student, so you might go there, chill, have coffee, and just walk with friends and sing songs in the evening, etc., etc., when you are a budding artist. So nowadays I am not very much often a visitor, but it is so dear to me because it is very fantastic thing in the northern part of India, especially on the these plain lands when you have lakes. So it is beautiful.
What took you so long to do a Punjabi film?
I'm not basically a filmmaker or honestly actor. Music and poetry is my main forte. So that is my main preference also, because stage performing is my darling. So, but when I see before this, when I was doing the Black Prince, it was worthy. It was so priceless kind of subject that I had to do, and I did with my 100% of honesty. After that, I was so much stuck because I quit my music concerts for 2 years almost for the Black Prince. Then I started again. I was on the tours all the time, and during that I was listening majority of the scripts, particularly in this city, in the Punjabi diaspora and all that. So when I found out the script after so many scripts, then I said, okay, I can do this because it is very correlative for social aspects, for public, for people, for people who are in a strong, profound relationship, etc., etc. So it is not just a film, it is beyond that, it is beyond the art. It will reflect in public and people's life positively, definitely, in some manners. This is my assumption and my wish, and I hope so too.
So the film looks like from the trailer a love story, and this seems like a swap between the man and a woman. So
ਇਹਦੀ
were
ਰੂਹ
there
ਇਹਦੇ ਸਰੀਰ 'ਚ ਤੇ ਇਹਦੀ ਰੂਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਰੀਰ 'ਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਜੀਓ ਤੇ ਸੱਚਾਈ ਨੂੰ
a
ਸਮਝ
woman?
ਸਕੋ
So were there any insights, or tell us more little about the film and how did you feel playing a woman?
It was not playing a woman,
Yeah,
it was
like,
just a
correct.
prospect of a womanhood.
Okay.
Actually,
Yeah,
so
yes.
there, yeah, it is very thin line in between because otherwise it will go so kind of not very worthy as a content, so that might go too much in the comedy, not in the content. So my purpose is not just to make people laugh. Definitely I will make people laugh, but with some manners, but with some things those are important to listen or to watch or to adopt in your life. So this is a very fresh new idea, being a filmmaker, being a writer, because the writer is so dear to me. We sit so many times and amend this script and alter these things. So we decided how to portray in particular this area of the northern part of India, especially Punjabis. You have to maintain that kind of spirit, that kind of cinema that people do understand and correlate at least what we are trying to say. It should be very clear. It shouldn't be very in Hollywoodish way or the parallel cinema or the dark cinema. It is not. It is very common cinema, but it is meaningful cinema. So that kind of that shift when it happens with the accident.
ਜਿਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਤੇਰੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਭੱਜਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੁੜਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਚੱਲ ਉੱਠ ਇੱਥੋਂ
ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ
ਬਿਨਾਂ ਹੱਥ ਲਾਏ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ.
ਇੱਕ ਕੰਮ ਕਰੋ ਘਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਹੋਮਵਰਕ ਕਰੋ
ਮੈਮ ਥੋੜੇ ਬਦਲੇ ਬਦਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗ ਰਹੇ
And the couple they swaps. So it is extremely interesting when you see another person's aspect and prospect, like how she is living and how he is looking at the scenario around him when he is going to the office. What is his boss is so bossy, is he's nice, and when she is in her house, is the sus oh ठीक कर दिया काम के नहीं कर दी kind of. So yeah, it is extremely interesting, I assume so. शगुफ्ता दिली तुम्ही से मिली, अजब कैफियत है निगाह में, ये मोहब्बतें जुनू लज्जतें खुमारी है तेरी पनाह में, गुले यासमीन जिससे सीखे हैं शोखियाँ, खुशबू भी आके मांगे रोज़ नज़दीकियाँ, गज़ल गुफ्तगू हुई रूबरू के शायर खड़े इश्क गाह में, शगुफ्ता दिली तुम्ही से मिली, अजब कैफियत है निगाह में.
Sirtaji, Sufi is your forte, and it's an oft confused term. How would you, decode it for our viewers?
Is it confused them? Okay.
Like, is it music? It is philosophy, way of life?
It is Sufism, I think, just probably the way of life. I think that is the appropriate adjective for Sufism, because if you are not Sufi, you are just writing or singing Sufi, you are not Sufi. You are just portraying your Sufi. So if you are actually devotee, actually connected with that sublime status, actually feeling ecstatic, these kind of elements makes you a profound Sufi. And I hope, I wish, I pray that somehow, as in some manners, I feel these things. Not much strongly as the profound Sufis did, but I am on the way probably. So yeah, Sufism is just love. Sufism just to feel another's pain in with the same intensity, and it is just, honestly, it's a way of life. It is just to everything actually, love, to help people, to surrender to your mehboob and all that. So it is a large subject. I did my doctorate on this. wrote 563 pages on this particular subject, so it is not easy to portray in some minutes. So yeah, we'll definitely talk about that particularly someday.
Uh, since you researched and wrote about it, is there a couplet or something that for you holds the essence that you would like to share with us?
Obviously, there's a song called "Sea" that is my most favorite song till date. In that particular song, I think I have reached on some path of Sufism. It is ਬੇਕਰਾਰੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਕੀਮਤੀ ਜੀ ਹਾਸਿਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹੀ ਇਤਮਿਨਾਨ ਹੋਵੇ ਫਿਦਾ ਸਭ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਨਿਸਾਰ ਹੋ ਜਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਗੁਮਾਨ ਹੋਵੇ ਦਿਲਾ ਹਾਰ ਤੇ ਸਹੀ ਆਪਾ ਵਾਰ ਤੇ ਸਹੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਹਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਉੱਚੀ ਸ਼ਾਨ ਹੋਵੇ ਐਸੀ ਆਸ਼ਕੀ ਕਰੀ ਸਰਤਾਜ ਸ਼ਾਇਰਾ ਕੋਈ ਹੈਰਾਨ ਹੋਵੇ ਤੇ ਕੁਰਬਾਨ ਹੋਵੇ ਸੋ Sufism is I think the English version of Sufism is to just surrender, to devote, to just vanish yourself in your loved ones.
How beautiful. So, are you a film buff otherwise? Do you watch films or are you?
Very much. But unfortunately, I didn't, I never watched Indian cinema, particularly Punjabi cinema. Unfortunately, I never was not that much in it because my first film was in English. So, in the very first homework I got, it was 70 films. Those were made on British imperialism and Victorian era. So I have to understand the mannerism, the accent, the profoundness, the British, that kind of gesture, sensibility, and everything, and even the clothing sense, etc., etc. How they walk, how they talk, how they behave, how they react. So these kind of things, those are very new for me. But I think I reached in some good manner in that particular film that is called Black Prince, and I got 3 Best Actors awards in Houston Film Festival, in London, and some was in San Diego Film Festival. So it was really, really honorable and privileged because so nowadays I'm trying to watch Indian cinema somehow, but in the initial stage when you fell somewhere, so you got connected. So in the international cinema, particularly Hollywood and these Netflix series especially, those are almost the same makers, and those are just series and those are just film. There's only one difference, otherwise the making and the lavishness and the taking, writing, act, art, lighting, camera, everything almost the same. So I am very much indulged in that kind of cinema.
Any other projects that you're really looking forward to?
After this, I am directly going to Britain again because I am performing in the Royal Albert Hall. That is the most profound concert hall on this beautiful globe. More iconic, most iconic concert hall. It was built in 1890s when Maharaja Dalip Singh was alive. So there's a connection between, because Albert was the husband of Queen Victoria, and Queen Victoria was used to call Maharaja Dalip Singh the Black Prince. So there is a strong connection in between. So yeah, I am the only blessed person who is performing second time in that particular concert hall. I performed first time in 2nd of May 2014. Before this, last year in April especially, I performed Sydney Opera House. That is also a star on your shoulder. Being a domestic artist, being a poet of a state, it is really an achievement, a commendable achievement, I assume so.
That looks lovely. So that's Satinder Sartaaj for the moment with us. Thank you.